I have owned the MAXPEDITION Falcon-II for quite some time, and I can say that the quality is great. It is very well made with top-of-the-line materials, and it is water resistant, which allows us to keep our things dry. Some of the features include padded shoulder straps and a sturdy waist support that make it comfortable for hiking. Regarding the size, this is a 23-liter backpack for one-day trips or ideal as an everyday carry bag. At first glance, it seems to be small, but when you expand it, you'll find that the Falcon-II is surprisingly spacious with room to accommodate your essential gear. It also has MOLLE webbing, which allows you to add pouches and increase its capacity. I have attached the MAXPEDITION bottle holder and a first aid pouch. This bag has 5 compartments and gives us the facility to organize our gear effectively, with the option to add a camel bag. Without a doubt, this is one of the best backpacks I have ever owned. It has been through multiple hikes in rough conditions and it's still like day one.